I've recently had some questions in from some new traders who would like to know how to use MT4 MetaTrader 4 to trade with. Now, once you click on the MT4 screen, you'll come to this page. And again, on the bottom you can see the various buttons. You've got the quote screen, you've got the chart screen, the trade, the history buttons, and also the settings button, which I'm not going to click because it has some personal information on there. Now, to place your first trade, you would go to either the trade button or to the quotes button. Now, let's just say I want to place a trade for pound dollar. So I'm just going to make that simplified. So if I want to place a trade for pound dollar, I would find the symbol on the screen. I would then click that symbol. So let me click pound dollar. I would now press the trade button and it would bring me to this page. Now, what I need to do here is choose the volume or the lot size for my trade. So I'm just changing the numbers, as you can see at the top, and you can change these depending on your account balance. So just to give you an approximate, should you have a balance of say £100 or $100, I would choose a lot size or volume of 0.01. So the lower the number here, the lower your risk. So I'm just going to leave that as 0.01 just for the sake of argument and just for the sake of example. Now what I need to do is enter a stop loss number, which is the first number here, and also I need to enter a take profit number. Now, if you're new to trading, you won't know what stop loss or take profit number to put in. But if you've just joined our academy, our mentorship program, we actually give you trading ideas and trading alerts every single day. So we will actually give you the stop loss number and also the take profit number for any particular trade that you place. Obviously, we are also mentoring you every single day and showing you how to trade the markets via live example, one-to-one or one-to group setting every single day. So let's assume we've given you a stop loss number and a take profit number. I'm just going to add some random numbers into here. Let me just put a stop loss number in. Let me just put a stop loss number for 1.40 just for the sake of example. And let me also put a take profit number of 1.42. So again, if you've just learned or if you've just joined the academy, joined our mentorships program and you're learning to trade, again, we will give you these numbers. And I'm just showing you in this video how to place a simple trade. So once you put the stop loss number in, once you put the take profit number in, you will then click the sell by market or buy by market button depending on the way the trade is going. So in this particular case, this is a buy trade, so I'm now going to click the buy by market button, and look, that trade has now placed for me, and that trade will now continue to run. Should I want to create some additional trades for pound dollar, I would swipe left on the pound dollar sign. I would then click the edit button, the second one across, and then I can actually modify that trade. So if I want to, for example, change the stop loss number, I could change the stop loss number to, let's say, 1.39, and I could change the take profit number to, let's say, 1.43, and that trade has now been modified for me. If I want to make an additional trade for pound dollar, I would click that plus sign, and then I could create an additional trade. Now, in this case, I'm not going to put a stop loss or take profit number because you can do that yourself once you have that detail. But again, if I click buy by market, I have now placed an additional trade, as you can see on this screen. If I again swipe left on one of those trades and click the tick button, which is the first button you can see here, I can actually close that trade. So whether the trade is a profit or loss is irrelevant at this stage. I'm going to close that trade, and that trade has now been executed. If I want to place a sell trade, for example, it's exactly the same thing. So for the sake of argument, let's go to the quote screen again. Let me choose another currency pair. Let's go for AUD USD, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Let me click the trade button, and again, all I need to do now is enter the stop loss number, the take profit number as well. So I'm going to enter those details here. Again, We will give you this information if you are on our mentorship program, but again, I'm just putting these numbers in at random just to give you an example. Sorry, this was going to be a sell trade, so just bear with me. I'll just put some numbers in here for a sell trade. So let's put a take profit number in as well. So just give me a few seconds. So I've just put some random numbers in there, and now I'm going to click sell by market, and that sell trade has now been placed for me. That is how simple it is to place trades. I'm now going to close those trades. So I swipe left, click the tick button and close that trade. And then again, I swipe left again, click the tick button, the first button, and close that trade. So I've placed 2 trades, I've closed those trades, and that is it. That is how you place trades. Another way to place trades on MT4 is to click the plus button, the plus symbol on the top right hand side. So I click that plus symbol. I can then click the top element where it's got the quotes, and then I can choose whichever currency pairs I want to trade. So let me, as an example, choose Euro USD. I'll click that, and again it's the same process again. I would add a stop loss number. Again, I'm adding some random numbers here, and I would add a take profit number, and then I can click either sell by market or buy by market depending on whether the trade is a sell or buy, and that is it. That trade is now being executed. That is how simple it is to place trades on MT4. So the reason I've done this short video is because I was getting a lot of questions from people saying, how do you place trades on MT4 as a beginner trader? This is how you place trades on MT4. If you are part of our mentorship program, part of our academy, we will give you training on this from the beginning. So you will already have had training for this. If you're looking to learn how to trade and you're looking for a mentorship, a support group, a mastermind group, you're looking for some good strong mentors who are trading every day, please reach out to me, because we have an amazing mentorship program academy where we will teach you and show you how to trade the largest and most liquid currency markets in the world. My name's Dr. Jav. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next video. Please do subscribe, like and share this video if you've learned something, and keep those questions coming. Thank you, and I'll see you shortly.